Hey there, and welcome back. This is Joseph, and we're on the channel that covers San Miguel de Allende's secrets. As always, if you need more secret information, feel free to go to the description box below. There's plenty of links taking you to various sites, including Amazon if you want to order any of the books in the best-selling series called San Miguel de Allende's Secrets. By the time I was 26 and moved to North Carolina, I'd already bought and sold some homes, so I wasn't a real estate virgin. Still, I was surprised by the use of the phrase master bedroom, that 30 years ago in the North had been called an owner's suite. To me, a master bedroom clearly indicated this was where the antebellum master, or white guy, slept in the big house catered to by slaves that resided in wooden cabins. Like Confederacy statues in every southern town square honoring terrorists hell-bent on breaking up the country, master bedrooms didn't seem to bother anybody but me. Over time, the phrase became a real estate jargon norm, so I stopped thinking about it. Until today, when New York City's Association of Realtors followed Houston's lead by releasing that henceforth master bedrooms would be called primary bedrooms, often with a primary bath. Frankly, I'd have gone back to using owner's suite, if only because a primary bath implies that you have to do number 2 somewhere else. Or, worse yet, that everyone has to walk through the owner's bedroom to first see if that bathroom is occupied before using another bathroom. The push to stop using the term master bedroom comes in the wake of George Floyd's death and the resulting Black Lives Matter protests, and as the industry grapples with issues of housing discrimination and diversity within its ranks. The U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development ruled in 1995 that master bedroom was not discriminatory and that it did not violate the fair housing laws, which is largely why the National Association of Realtors hasn't created a policy regarding its usage. The organization's president, Vince Malta, said in a recent statement that there was no reason the real estate professionals could not use the term since there was zero evidence of its historical connection to slavery. In reality, the first recorded usage of master bedroom was in the 1926 pamphlet put out by Sears, offering potential buyers a kit that they could buy to build their own homes. Sears introduced it as a way to attract suburban homeowners who aimed to be viewed as part of the expanding middle class after World War I. It appears the phrase master bedroom is going the way of parlor in favor of living room. And this is a story I like to tell on my Day the Dead and Cemetery tours. Because back when the U.S. and Canada were primarily agrarian societies, the front room of a farmhouse was called the funeral parlor, as that's what it was used for prior to burials on the farm. Eventually, the phrase funeral parlor was shortened to just parlor. Following World War II and the creation of Levittown and other suburbs, no one having been at war wanted to live in a house reminiscent of a funeral or death. So real estate agents got together and changed the word parlor to living room, and it stuck. We'll see if the phrase primary bedroom does stick also in the jargon of real estate. As always, feel free to click below to subscribe and like, and that way you'll be sure to get updates on future videos that come out describing more of San Miguel de Allende's secrets.